Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Fab Fit Fun. This is a quarterly subscription box. You get $200 valued of stuff in here and you pay $49.99, and you get a lot of full-size products and really cool stuff. So inside we always get one of these little newsletters. It talks about the products. If there's other like color variations, it shows them in there. Sometimes there's recipes, different like beauty tips, all sorts of information. Really helpful. I've heard this box is a really good one, so I'm excited to see what's inside. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out says Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. And this nice little velvet bag. Cute. Is this a bracelet? Yeah, I think it's a bracelet, and it says love on it. Also have Ish Lip Statement Palette. So in the past I've received like eyeshadow palettes that were nice, but this one is for lipstick. There we go. Some nice shades. I actually don't wear lipstick and I can't really pull off reds, so I'm probably going to gift that to a friend or family member. Now this bag, sometimes if you, if you sign up for a year, you get to customize some of your products. So they'll give you like pattern options or different colored options for things. So this is one of them that I got to pick. It's this cute little clutch. There's a couple different patterns and colors, but I like this one. It's this real summer look to me. And it's pretty big, so you can keep it like that and put stuff in it. Fold it over, has a nice little gold zipper and a little tassel. So that's really nice. Next up from Murad, this is Skin Perfecting Lotion. So we got a full size of that. We have a sample size Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. That sounds interesting. This is body butter in the scent guava. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, that has a nice scent to it. And then there's also, it's by Free People, with love from Texas. Looks like it's a little eye mask, a little sleep mask rather. It feels like there's maybe gel in it. You could slip it open. Yeah, there is gel in it. So I guess you could put it in the fridge if you want it to be cool. That's pretty neat. It's got nice little stars all over it. Then from Dermalect, we have Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. That sounds interesting. You apply 1 to 2 coats on your natural nails as a treatment or under polish as a base coat. Always doing my nails, so I could definitely use that. There's a couple more things in the box. We have this roller, and I know this came in different colors. This is a massage roller from Physique 57. Serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense Physique 57 workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. It's nice foam on here, so it's cushioned. Very cool. And the last item in the box, number 1 Manhattan Beach. I think this is a candle. Very pretty. This is Anderson Lily on it. It's just a plain rose gold container. It smells very nice. Let's see if it has a bunch of different fragrance notes on there. Musk, bergamot, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, citrus, and heliotrope. Maybe is how you say it. Not quite sure. So that is what I got for my box. If you want to join or sign up, I do have a promo code that will save you some money, so I will link that below. I also put a playlist if you want to see my past boxes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.